All right, let's look at the homework 2, problem number 10. All right, so let's see, we have, let's see, price demand function is given, and also revenue function is given. All right, so let's look at the part A first. Which of the following is the graph of the revenue function? All right, so let's see. So here's the revenue function. All right, so you can see that the leading coefficient is going to be so x times negative 4x, so negative 4. So this is going to be a quadratic function, and the leading coefficient is negative 4, which means that it's facing down parabola. All right, so if you look at that, and so A is looking okay, and the B is definitely not the 1, and the C looks okay. Right. Another thing we want to look for is that x-intercept. Right. X-intercept of this revenue function is going to be, basically we set this equal to 0. So when x equals 0, it has to hit the x-axis. And also, if you set 80 minus 4x equals 0, it's going to be 80 divided by 4, so 20. So it has to hit the 0 and 20. Right here, this is almost right, 0 and a negative 20, so A is not the one. And here, C, 0 and 20. Right, so C is the only one that's reasonable. Right, let's check the answer. Right, so we got that. All right, part B, find the output that will produce the maximum revenue. Right, so you can see that, you can kind of eyeball it too, but here, between 0 and 20, so parabola is symmetric. So the vertex is going to be right at 10. So it's going to be 10 million chips. So it's going to be give you 10 here. All right, let's check the answer. All right, so we got that. All right, what is the maximum revenue? So all you have to do is plug in x equals 10 into the revenue function. So let's do that. So if you plug in 10 here, so x is 10. So you have 80 minus 4 times 10. So it's going to be 80 minus 40. So 10 times 40. So it's 400 million. So let's put 400 million. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, and part C, what is the wholesale price per chip that produces the maximum revenue? All right, so here, price function is given here. We know that when x equals 10, we have that's the price, right? We have the maximum revenue. So you have 80 minus x minus, 80 minus 4 times 10. So it's a 40. So answer is 40. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.